karibu upate wote wakiwa.
Muthako uyu wa kuruga kuuma riera-ini niguo tumite kaunti ino ya Kwale itamburikanite na kwirikana niyo njega muno thiini wa Afrika hari muthako uyu uria utheremetie ugendi kaunti ino. Anthony Mwamuga ni munene wa ruhonge rwa ugendi guku Kwale.
We have a huge festival, that's a Skydiving festival that's beginning today. It will run for a month. There will be a couple of activities that we're going to be running through. Some of them are music extravaganza. We are looking at promoting this destination by way of particularly coming together with stakeholders. And of course, through the governorship of Governor Salim Uria within Kwale County, he has been at the forefront to promote tourism in the destination of Kwale.
Muthako uyu wa kuruga kuuma riera-ini utanyituo guthii na mbere kwa ihinda ria mweri umwe kuria athaki maumite guku bururi-ini undu umwe na mabũrũri ta UK, Germany, Denmark, South Africa na mangĩ maingĩ.
We are part of the Diani Beach Festival, offering other services other than skydiving as an option. Once you're done with the air, then you find us down here. We'll give you an opportunity to ride on the waves of the ocean. Yes. And this is an area where you will come and not get bored. You'll not just sit but have an opportunity to enjoy what nature has given us.
Ugendi ni ugaciraga na gikiro kinene hindi ya mambura mathi guku mwena uyu wa gicua-ini, kuona ati muthako uyu ni ukuguciriria makiria ma andu 2,500. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Maina wa Mwangi.